Today we're cooking one of the most comforting meals you'll ever make, rich and creamy beef caldereta. This dish always reminds me of family, slow-cooked meals, and that comforting feeling of togetherness. We'll need 2 potatoes cut into your desired size, 1 carrot, slice 1 bell pepper, mince 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 1 medium onion chopped, I use beef chuck and ribs here. You can also use brisket. Start by heating oil over medium heat. Add your beef and sear until it's beautifully brown on all sides. This simple step gives your caldereta its depth and that rich, meaty base we all love. Remove the beef and set them aside and just continue searing the rest of your meat. In the same pot, saute onions until translucent, then add garlic and cook until fragrant. That aroma is what makes Filipino dishes instantly feel like home. Add 1 to 2 cups of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Stir and scrape up the brown bits at the bottom of the pot. That's pure flavor. Return seared beef. Two to 3 cups of water. Bring to a gentle boil, then lower the heat and simmer. Let it cook slowly until the beef is tender and the sauce thickens naturally. While this simmers, our rice cooker decided to take a break. So while my husband tries to figure it out, I'm going old school and cook rice in a pot. Okay, now that our rice is cooking, let's check. The beef is almost perfectly tender. I'm gonna give it another half an hour. In the meantime, I'm going to taste and adjust the seasoning. 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar just to balance the acidity. Just a pinch of salt and pepper. Chili flakes for mild kick. This is optional. Now let's give it a good mix. All that flavor will be simmering away with the beef. After simmering for about 20 to 30 minutes, it is now time to add our potatoes. I'm gonna let this one simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes first before I add the rest of the vegetables. Now let this simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes and then turn off your heat, add your green peas, and that is it. Beef caldereta, simple and hearty. Even when things don't go as planned, rice cooker breaking is what makes life meaningful.
Delicious. Oh, good.
What happened?
The board is fried.
It's fried.
Yes.